Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AABB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful, I suppose, day, but more so afternoon, because that is when the explosion happened. The price was not looking good at all. It actually violated down below that green line. Things were not looking good. And then all of a sudden, in the blink of an eye almost, the price went from breaking down below an area of support to now doing battle with this area of resistance up here at 16 cents. Now, the price did ultimately pull back a little bit and close right below it. So technically speaking, 16 cents is still going to be that main area of resistance. But overall, very, very crazy movement. Very, very nice day. I mean, talk about a 180, and I suppose that's just kind of the multiple personalities of penny stocks, when you can have a penny stock seemingly all depressed and down, and then all of a sudden, boom, up it's at that area of resistance. So from that angle, though, nothing necessarily new to report per se, because the levels that I talked about previously still do pertain. So 14 cents still going to be that main area of support. And then that 16 cents still going to be that level of resistance. Although, now this doesn't guarantee anything, but given the price is so close to it, it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought that there could very well be a breakout of that 16 cent mark coming soon. So it's worth at least keeping an eye on that. If the price does break up through there, the next key overall area of resistance would then be up there at that 19 cents, which I've talked about in past videos too. So keep an eye on 19 cents if the price ultimately does get that 16 cent break. But one hurdle at a time. That first hurdle still, as of right now, is at the 16 cent mark. But good to see that the price did have enough power to at least be able to push up above it, weakened it up a little bit. So that'll be that main dynamic to watch moving forward. But all in all, crazy, crazy close. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.